want to show you my paper pistol. I just wanted to make my own pistol, so I did. As you can see right here, it doesn't have a removable clip. Didn't really take long to build. I really like the gun. It got sights on it. I know a lot about guns because I played with it before. And you see I wanted to put a cock in thing, so I did. You see it's moving. You see that part over here is moving. And I just wanted to show you, if I get about maybe 40 likes and up, I'll make a video of this. And if you haven't seen my other videos, I made a 3-3 recon and my sister is holding it. Got the cocking mechanism, a scope, and I'll pull out the clip. Doesn't have an opening. Nudge it in there. It got the thingies on here, and this thing can really cock. Oh, it was hard to make, and I just wanted to show you it. Bye.